All right here is the magnetic tray. It's about 8 inches. So as you can see, got some tiny screws in here and stick right to the ground. So if you need to just have something right at hand, look at that, you can stand it right up, even right on the nut. Now if you have something that's aluminum, it's not going to stay. So these are aluminum, and you can tell they're not going to go through there. So your drill bit, same deal. You can stand it straight up in the air just like so. So if you want to get it quick and use it, and if you're taking something apart in your garage, in your tool shed, or even at work like I'm doing here, so you can just go ahead and grab the screw right when you need it, and then just pull it right up. So you can kind of see from right here. And then you can also kind of magnetize the tip of this guy by turning it underneath on the bottom, and then putting the, see, look at that, it's so good. There's a screw right under here, I didn't even see. But you can just put this down here, and then you can put your screwdriver right under the bottom, and then it'll kind of magnetize the tip of the screwdriver, so that when you're going to take a screw out of a tool or out of something, you won't lose the screw. It'll kind of hold its place. So this is double edged sword right here. It has it on the bottom, and then once again inside this stainless steel tray. All right, so we got the screwdriver underneath the bottom, trying to magnetize just the tip of the screwdriver, and then I'll take it out of here, and then I'll just try to go ahead and pick this guy up right there, and then I can put it right inside of here. So it'll be magnetized for a little while, so it'll help the tip hold in. So sometimes it doesn't hold it for the long of a time, but when you put it under there and use it the bottom, it will help magnetize the tip, so that when you do, if you need to pick up a screw, or when you're taking it out, it won't fall to the ground. Most likely it'll stay right on the tip of the screwdriver. So how great is that?